In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up alerts in Databox. By the end, you'll know exactly how to create an alert that notifies you when key metrics change, so you can act quickly without constantly checking dashboards. First, log into your Databox account. Once you're in, look to the left menu and open Notifications, then select Alerts. This is your hub for creating and managing all notification rules. Click the plus New Alert button to start. You'll begin by choosing a metric. Pick the data point you care about most. This could be sessions, conversions, revenue, or any metric available from your connected data sources. Selecting the right metric ensures your alert is aligned with what matters to your business or team goals. Next, set your conditions and thresholds. Choose the condition type you want Databox to watch for, such as value is greater than, less than, or a percentage increase or decrease. Then add the qualifier, the exact number or percentage that triggers the alert. For example, you might say, notify me if sessions increase by more than 10%. If you're monitoring risk, you might choose value is less than or percentage decrease to catch drop-offs early. A quick tip: set thresholds that are meaningful but not too sensitive, or you might receive more notifications than you need. Now choose a date range. This tells Databox which time period to use when comparing data. Common choices include last 7 days for fast-moving insights and last 30 days for a steadier view. The options you see can vary by metric and data source, so choose the one that best matches how your team reviews performance. Select how alerts are delivered. Pick the channels that fit your workflow, whether that's email, in-app notifications, or other supported options. Consider the urgency of the metric. Use more immediate channels for critical changes and less intrusive ones for routine updates. Choose recipients. The alert creator is automatically included, and you can add teammates who need to stay informed. Keep the list focused to avoid notification fatigue. When everything looks right, click Save. Your alert is now active. Databox will monitor your metric and send a notification as soon as the condition you set is met. If you're not receiving alerts, your thresholds may be too strict or your date range too narrow. If you're getting too many, try raising the threshold or switching to a longer date range. That's it. You've set up a clear, actionable alert in Databox so you can track what matters and respond faster.